Welcome to my new home, Ben. Come in, please.
Oh, wow, Anna. Your living room is so beautiful.
Aw, thank you, Ben.
My, it is so bright in here.
Yes, it is. I have a very big window here.
The sunlight makes the room feel so warm.
I agree. I like to watch the sun every morning.
And look at this sofa. Is it new?
Yes, it is. The blue color is very pretty, right?
It looks so soft and comfortable. I love it.
It is my favorite place to take a nap.
I can see why. It looks like a cloud.
Oh, and look at this small wooden table, too.
It is very cute. Did you buy it online?
No, I found it at a small local shop.
It is perfect for this room. Very classy.
I usually sit on that chair and drink tea there.
That sounds so relaxing, Anna.
Would you like some tea now, Ben?
Oh, I would love some, thank you.
Great. Let's sit down on the sofa together.
Haha! Finally, I can try this comfy blue sofa.
Wow, it feels so good to just sit and talk.
I feel so relaxed here. I don't want to leave.
I am so happy you like my home, Ben.
Whew, finally. This box is so heavy, Sarah. Come here.
Oh my, you did it, John. Is that our new bed?
Yes, honey. It is a big bed from IKEA.
Wow, looking at the box, this bed is really big.
I know, right? I am a bit worried now.
Why are you worried, darling? Tell me.
Do you think it fits in this small room?
Let me see. I have my tape measure here.
Thanks, Sarah. I really need your help today.
Okay, stay calm. I will measure the floor now.
Look at the space next to that lamp, Sarah.
Let's see. The lamp is small and the wall is long. We have a pretty big space here.
Is there enough space for my desk, too?
Let me see. 1, 2, 3.
So, does it fit or not? Please say yes.
Yes, it fits perfectly in this bedroom.
Oh, thank God. I was so afraid.
The bed goes beside the lamp, and your desk should be at this corner.
That is great. The room will look so cozy.
I agree. We can put a small rug near the bed, too.
Perfect. I can't wait to finish this room.
Me too. I want to sleep on that new bed tonight.
Me too, honey. I am so tired now.
Well, no more talking. Let's open the box.
All right, let's build our dream bedroom together.
Oh my! Look at this kitchen. It is so messy.
Don't worry, Mom. I can help you clean it up.
That is my boy. Are you ready to work?
Yes, I will wash the dishes with you.
Okay, honey. I will use the soap and the water.
And I will use this dry towel for the bowl.
Good. Be careful. The bowls are very heavy.
I got it, Mom. Wow, this blue bowl is so big.
It is for your favorite soup. Now here is a spoon.
1 spoon, 2 spoons. We have many spoons, Mom.
Yes, we have 10 spoons and 10 forks.
Everything is clean now. Where do I put them?
Look up there, honey. Put them in the top cabinet.
Is this the place for the glasses, too?
No, darling. The glasses go on the small shelf.
Oh, I see it. The shelf is next to the fridge.
Exactly. You are doing a great job, my little assistant.
Look, Mom, the kitchen is so shiny and clean now.
Wow, I knew it. You are a very good helper, my little boy. You deserve a big cookie.
Yay! I love cleaning the kitchen.
Daisy, welcome to my garden. Oh my, Lily, it is so beautiful. I love it. I am so happy you like it. Wow, look at those red flowers. They are so bright. Those are my favorite roses. Do they smell good?
Yes, they smell like heaven. The flower is so soft, too.
I spend a lot of time here every day.
Do you water them every day, Lily?
Yes, I do. I give them water every morning.
No wonder everything is so green and healthy.
Oh, look over there, Daisy. Do you see that tree?
Oh, I knew it! Is that a small apple tree?
Exactly. It is still young, but it grows very fast.
That is amazing! You have a green thumb, Lily.
Maybe. I just love watching things grow.
Can we sit here for a while? The air is so fresh.
Of course. Let's sit on these small chairs.
I feel so happy and relaxed now.
Me too. Nature always makes life better, right?
Totally. I want a small garden like this too.
I can help you start one. It is very easy.
Really? Thank you, Lily. You are the best. Let's sit down and enjoy the sun and our tea now.
Watch your step, Leo. Welcome to the attic.
Oh my, Grandpa. Why is this room so dark and dusty?
Because I don't come here very often, my boy.
It looks like a secret cave. Look at all these boxes.
Yes, this old box here has many secrets. Help me open it.
Okay. Wow, look. I find a small silver bell.
Ah, I remember that. It was your grandmother's favorite bell. She loves to put it on the Christmas tree every year.
It is still so pretty. Let me wipe the dust off.
Good boy. Oh, look, here is an old book with pictures.
The pages are yellow, Grandpa. Who is this little boy?
That is me 60 years ago. I was very young then.
You look so funny in those big pants, Grandpa.
Time flies so fast. Now look deep in the box. What is there?
Oh, wow. It is a small wooden car. It is so cool.
My father made that toy for me when I was 8 years old.
Really? Your father made this by hand?
Yes, we were very poor, but this car made me so happy.
It is a bit broken, but the wheels still turn.
I played with it every day. It was my best friend.
Grandpa, your eyes are wet. Are you sad?
No, honey. I am just happy. You know what, Leo? I give this car to you.
For me? Really? Oh, thank you so much, Grandpa.
Take good care of it. It carries a lot of love.
I promise I will keep it safe in my bedroom forever.
I knew it. You are a good grandson. Let's go downstairs now.
Wait, can we find more secrets tomorrow, Grandpa?
Of course, my little explorer.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, how many rooms are there in your house? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.